Day, June 26th. Save 20 to 30% on selected clothing and footwear, as well as camping and cycling gear. You can also save 15 to 20 by visiting one of REI's 7 Greater Los Angeles locations for REI Summer Sale and Clearance, June 26th to July 5th. Or shop REI.com. REI. Find out.
At Volkswagen, we know California is filled with actors, poets, and musicians all chasing that big break. And though we can't give you a record dealer, of course, you needn't be a struggling musician like this man to get the 17-inch smoked alloy wheels, sporting rear spoiler.
Lucky guess. Stop by your local Volkswagen dealer and see the new limited edition California Jetta. With $1,500 worth of added features, all that any fun people want. Over 26 limited edition California Jetta with manual transmission for $199 a month for 36 months with $19.99 with signing. Excluding tax and title option with dealer charges. See dealer or call 1-800-WW for details.
Stop by your Southern California Volkswagen dealer today and ask about the limited edition California Jetta. Visit SoCalVW.com to find a dealer near you. This hour of Classic Rock is brought to you by Windor Vinyl Window and Door Replacement.
Southern California's home, Los Angeles.
Hi YouTube, kamusta na kayong lahat dyan? Narito na ulit ako sa States. At ngayon pinapakita ko sa inyo yung bago kong acquire na barrel. Ito ang first rifle ko. Gawa ito ng Rock River Arms Incorporation. Gawa sa Illinois, USA. Kilala ito rito sa atin na Baby Armalite M16 rifle. But in civilian use, tinatawag ito na AR-15. Ang caliber nito is 5.56/.223 Remington. At meron to 16-inch barrel. Dinigdag ko lang itong bipod na to para sa shooting. With the collapsible butt. Pwede mong pahabain na ganyan. Or may depende sa gusto na shooter. With a 10 round magazine, kasi ito lang allowed sa California, not more than 10 rounds. And ito yung arm guard nya. Pwede itong palitan ng mga quad rail. At ito pala yung bala ng ito yung 5.56 sa caliber bullet. At ito naman yung .223 Remington. Halos magkapares lang sila. Pwede itong isalpak dito. So sa ngayon, yun lang masasabi ko. Ang Rock River nga pala, yung gumawa ng baril na to, sila yung nanalo ng biddings dito sa USA para mag-supply ng AR-15 na assault rifle sa mga troops natin sa Iraq na lumalaban ngayon sa gera doon. So yung mga nakikita nyo sa mga news na mga US soldiers, ito yung gamit nila mismo. Ito na mismo yun. AR-15 carbine 5.56 caliber. At makikita nyo sa isa kong upload sa YouTube kung paano namin na paputukin ito ni Ramil sa Burro Canyon. Makikita nyo rin. So hanggang sa susunod ulit, kamusta lang kayo dyan at mag-iingat kayong lahat.